Yoga of Renunciation of Action in Knowledge, Chapter 4, Shloka number 12. Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. They who long for satisfaction from actions in this world make sacrifices to the gods, because satisfaction is quickly obtained from actions in the world of objects.
Chapter 4, Shloka 12. काङ्क्षन्त कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा.
Chapter 4, Shloka 12. Though Lord is all powerful, serves all impartially, and can grant all desires, why we do not seek the Lord is explained in this shloka. The path of the good and also the path of the evil, both can be invoked from the Lord. Why do majority seek the path of the evil and only a few the path of Dharma is explained now. Whether we pursue the extrovert life or live the introvert joys, both are invoked by the power of the Lord, who is all powerful. The mind always chooses the extrovert life of sensuality because satisfaction comes easily and quickly by the contact of the senses with the sense objects. This is why extrovert life is popular and also the cause of sensuality in the world. A life of animal passions can be overcome by sharpening our intellect for proper discrimination. This is man's prerogative. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.